I'm going to share some awesome ways you can start making money online with your skills, and I promise you'll find something that fits you perfectly. As students, we're constantly looking for ways to earn some extra cash, whether it's to pay off tuition fees, cover living expenses, or simply have some spending money. But the thing is, we don't always have a lot of time on our hands. Between classes, assignments, and social life, it can be tough to find a part-time job that fits our schedule. That's why online money-making ideas can be such a game changer. The beauty of making money online is that you can do it from anywhere at any time, as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. And the best part is, you can leverage your existing skills to start earning cash. Whether you're great at writing, designing, or coding, there are opportunities out there for you. So if you're tired of living on a tight budget and want to start building some financial freedom, then this video is for you. By the end of it, you'll have a bunch of actionable ideas to get started with, and I'm confident that you'll find at least one that resonates with you. As students, we all know how tough it can be to make ends meet. Tuition fees are constantly rising and living expenses can be crippling. And on top of that, we have to balance our studies with part-time jobs, internships, and social life. It's exhausting, and it can be easy to get caught up in the stress of it all. Studies have shown that over 70% of students work part-time jobs, and yet many of us still struggle to make ends meet. It's not because we're not working hard enough. It's because the traditional 9-to-5 job just isn't flexible enough for our schedule. I know from personal experience that it can be tough to find a job that fits around your classes. I used to work as a part-time tutor, and while it was flexible, it wasn't exactly lucrative. And I'm sure many of you can relate to that. But the good news is that there are ways to earn money that don't involve sacrificing your study time. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Online money-making ideas can be a total game changer for students. Not only do they offer flexibility, but they also allow you to work on your own terms and earn money from the comfort of your own home. Of course, there are some common misconceptions about making money online. Some people think it's a scam, or that it's only for tech-savvy people. But the truth is, anyone can do it, regardless of their skill level or experience. So, whether you're a complete beginner or you've already started exploring online opportunities, this video is for you. By the end of it, you'll have a ton of ideas to get started with, and you can start building some financial freedom for yourself. So, what are some online money-making ideas that students can pursue? Well, there are tons of them, but I'm going to share some of my favorites with you. First up, freelancing is an amazing way to monetize your skills. Whether you're great at writing, designing, or coding, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Tutoring is another fantastic option. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students who need help. You can use platforms like TutorMe or Chegg to find clients. Content creation is also a great way to earn money online. If you're passionate about creating videos, writing blog posts, or taking photos, you can monetize your content with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Online selling is another popular option. You can sell physical products on platforms like Amazon or eBay, or you can sell digital products like ebooks or courses. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. You can promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Surveys and online research are also a great way to earn some extra cash. You can sign up with websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to get started. Creating and selling an online course is another fantastic option. If you're an expert in a particular area, you can create a course teaching others and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Dropshipping is another popular option. You can start an online store without holding any inventory, and you can partner with suppliers to ship products directly to customers. Stock photography is a great way to monetize your photography skills. You can sell your photos on stock image websites like Shutterstock or iStock. Transcription services are also in high demand. You can offer your services as a transcriptionist to podcasters, videocasters, or writers. Virtual assistants is another fantastic option. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to entrepreneurs or small business owners who need help with administrative tasks. Creating a YouTube channel or Twitch stream is a great way to monetize your passion for creating content. You can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Creating a mobile app or game is another fantastic option. You can sell your app on app stores and earn passive income from sales and in-app purchases. Selling ebooks or physical books is a great way to monetize your writing skills. You can self-publish your books on platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing. Creating a podcast is another great way to monetize your passion for creating content. You can earn money from sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. I know that's a lot of ideas, but I want to give you a sense of the possibilities out there. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert in any of these areas to get started. You can learn as you go, and that's exactly what I did. One of my favorite success stories is of a student who turned their passion for photography into a profitable online business. She started selling her photos on stock image websites and eventually built up a portfolio of clients who hired her for freelance photography work. She didn't start out as a professional photographer, but she learned as she went and eventually built a business that allowed her to quit her part-time job and focus on her studies full-time. And that's exactly what I want for you. By leveraging your skills and turning them into online income streams, you can create a life of financial freedom for yourself. You can pay off your tuition fees, cover your living expenses, and even start building wealth. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? It's that you don't have to be limited by your student budget. You can create a life of financial freedom for yourself, and it all starts with taking action and exploring different avenues to generate income. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. You'll be able to live the life you want on your terms, and that's priceless. Chapter 7: Tips for Balancing Studies and Online Work. In this chapter, we will discuss practical tips for students to balance their academic responsibilities with online money-making activities. This includes time management techniques and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. First, let's talk about time management. Create a schedule that allocates specific time blocks for classes, studying, and online work. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. This will help you stay organized and ensure you're dedicating enough time to both your studies and your online ventures. Lastly, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Make sure to set aside time for relaxation, hobbies, and socializing. By implementing these strategies, you'll be better equipped to manage your time effectively and achieve success in both your studies and online money-making endeavors. Advanced online money-making strategies. Now that you've got a handle on balancing your studies with online work, it's time to take your efforts to the next level. In this chapter, we'll dive into more advanced strategies to scale up your income and diversify your revenue streams. First, let's talk about scaling up your efforts. If you've found an online method that works, consider ways to increase your output. This could mean dedicating more time, investing in better tools, or outsourcing tasks. The key is to maximize your efficiency and productivity. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term stability. Explore other opportunities that align with your skills and interests. For example, if you're making money through freelance writing, consider branching out into related areas. Leveraging social media can significantly enhance your online presence and profitability. Build a strong brand by consistently sharing valuable content and engaging with your audience. Utilize platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. By implementing these strategies, you'll achieve greater financial success while maintaining your academic responsibilities. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to online money making. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on online money making for students.